Good morning, students. This time we are taking the next segment under writing skills section, not the second one, the next one, that is dialogue writing. Dialogue writing is not a new thing for you. It's very, very familiar. You are writing this section from 2 to 3 years back, and you know everybody can write this very, very nicely with some introduction, some beginning, something in the middle, and at the end something nicely closure of this dialogue. So everyone knows about this dialogue writing. Still, as it is in this year new concept, we are going to see what this dialogue writing is. So let's see. Here are some points, important points, which you are going to write in the notebook under the section writing skills, dialogue writing. Now for this question, you will be given a situation based on which you are expected to develop a dialogue between two persons. General dialogue. Begin with appropriate greetings, means good morning, good afternoon, hello, hi, and etc. A proper introduction of the topic and a suitable closure. Now closure, as I had taught you last year, it must be according to that way. You have to name or identify the speakers, means you should not write their X and Y. You have to name the people who are speaking. These names must not be your real names. You can write their imaginary names. Then the words spoken by the speakers are in direct form, hence inverted commas are not needed. Do remember this thing. You should not write the dialogues in inverted commas. The names of the speakers and the spoken words are separated by a colon. A colon is given and then you have to write the dialogue. Then next, a minimum of 5 exchanges of both the speakers are expected. 5 of one person, 5 of another person, that is minimum. But you can attempt at least 7 dialogues of each. Please. Because minimum level boundary line is 5, so you should not stick to that boundary line, must try something ahead of that. Next is the language should be simple and lucid, keeping in mind the nature of the speakers and the flow of the conversation. Another, appropriate tenses and suitable punctuation marks should be used. Even though the inverted commas must not come there, punctuation marks must be proper in the dialogue. Tense means grammar must be correct over there. So these are the important points you have to write in your notebook under the section dialogue writing. One more thing is given here is marking scheme. How the marks are given for this question. This question is for 5 marks, and see the marking here. Proper introduction and beginning gets 1 mark. Then appropriate sequence of dialogues, 2 marks. Sequence of dialogues is very important. Use of grammatical structure, constructions and vocabulary, it has 1 mark. And proper layout and conclusion, it has 1 mark. So all in all, the question carries 5 marks. So you have to write down the marking scheme also. It is very important till next year 10th, that is. So write down that properly. Then here one dialogue sample model dialogue I have given you. Write down the same in your notebook, and after that attempt one more, which is your question for today. See here, write a dialogue between you and your teacher about the discipline in your class, with proper beginning, proper closure, and in the middle 7 dialogues of each. Your 7 and your teacher's 7. Do accordingly. Try everyone. You are the best students, and so you can do this very, very nicely. I am quite sure about that. Next time we will begin some other, maybe textual, otherwise of this section only. So till next time, have a great day.